Am I on the air, Cratchit? Yes. Hello. Ebenezer Scrooge here. Yes. I'm broadcasting from the Image Puppet Production Studios, right here in downtown Port Dover, Ontario. Is that the right place, Cratchit? It is. All right. Right. So, and I have been asked by unanimous vote to wish you all a merry, happy, go, humbug, a merry and prosperous new year. That's not what I'm supposed to say. A Merry Christmas. That's it. I said it. A Merry Christmas. A merrier Christmas than you ever had in your entire life. That's right. I am a changed man. I am a changed man. I have a new heart, a new outlook on life. I have a new life coach, and I have a new house, and I have a new partner, Bob Cratchit, and I also have a new wife. Can you believe it after all those years? Oh boy, Ebenezer Scrooge, married, happily married. Well, isn't that wonderful? Well, you know, I have to tell you, people say that you married me for my money, but I hope not. Anyway, well, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a happy and prosperous New Year from Byron and Marlene Morton, the owners of Image Puppet Productions, the best employers anybody could have. Well, that's it. Did I do a good job, Cratchit? All right, now, how do I turn this blasted thing off? Oh, modern technology. Let me see. If I take this and I push this button right here, I should be okay.